My name is Sebastian Bates, and I'm the founder of the Warrior Academy. We transform children's lives with our unique approach to education, where we focus on the development of character through martial arts. We run out of 40 locations, and over 1,000 students go through our program weekly. We've also worked with over 100 schools in England, and this has provided us with an excellent insight into how we can optimise the development of a young person's character, radically improving their confidence, focus and behaviour. We've created a 4-step character development programme we call the Warrior Method, which we deliver through classes, courses and our online learning environment.